Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making new dresses for our princess. I would like to introduce you our first princess, Princess Merida. I'm going to make her a beautiful dress in red and black. The dress will have 7 black and red folding layers. But first, I need to make a base to keep the princess stable. Next, I will cut a strip. Then fold it and lay it on the front of the base. Now, I will cut the Play-Doh into a circle. Then, cut it into half. We need to cut a small hole at the center for the doll. Now, I will fold them and place them on both sides of the dress. For the top, I will add some stones to make the dress more shiny. I will highlight the dress by 2 big balls on both sides. Ta-da! We just finished making the new dress for Princess Merida. She looks stunning in red and black gown. Let's move on with our second princess. I will make her an amazing dress in green and yellow. The dress will have green and yellow folding layers. Each layer, we need 2 strips. will make a back covers for the bottom. I will cut 2 rectangles. Then trim a curve at the corners. I will place them on 2 sides of the dress. Perfect! Some stones and pearls will make the dress stand out. Finish it the second gown for our princess. Let's meet our first princess, Princess Rapunzel. Do you want to see how she looks in the new dress? I make her a blue dress tonight. I will make a folding layer for the foot of the dress. Now, I will cut a big rectangle to cover the top of the bottom. I will make a big white flowers. I need a lot of round shapes for the flower petals. Some stones and pearls to make the dress more shiny. finished another dress for our princess. Rapunzel looks amazing in her new dress. Let's move on to our last princess, Princess Snow White. She can't wait for her turn. Let's make her the most elegant dress ever. I need a half of circle to make the bottom of the dress. Let's put some yellow stones to make the dress more stand out. Beautiful! Just make another outfit for our princess. Princess Snow White looks so attractive in this dress. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.